8 power k times 8 power k is equal to 24. Find the value of k. So here in the form of a times a is equal to a square. So this times this is same as 8 power k whole square is equal to 24. Now here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So according to this formula, it will be 8 power of k times 2, that means 2k is equal to 24. Now we have to apply log in both sides. Log of 8 power 2k is equal to log of 24. In the next step, here we apply rule that log k power r, we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power move to the base. So here this power 2k will move to the base. So it will be 2k log 8, 2k log 8 is equal to log 24 can be written as log of 3 times 8. In the next step, we have 2k log 8 is equal to log of 3 times 8. So here we apply this formula. Log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So according to this formula, it will be log 3 plus log 8. Now we need the value of k. So we divided by log 8 in both sides. So divided by log 8 divided by log 8. So this log 8 will be cancelled. Yeah, 2k is equal to this part of log 8 plus this part of log 8. So here log 3 of log 8 plus log 8 of log 8. So this log 8 will be cancelled. So here 1. In the next step, 2k is equal to log 3 of log 8 is same as 3 log 2 here plus 1. In the next step, 2k is equal to here on of 3, then log 3 over log 2. So we apply this formula. Log a of log b is equal to log a base b. So it will be log 3 base 2 here plus 1. Now we need the value of k. So we have to divide it by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled. So here k be equal to 1 by 3 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2. So this is the value of k. So this is our final answer. Now let's check the equation. Now to check our equation, 8 power k times 8 power k is equal to 24. Now 8 power k, so the value of k, which is this 1 by 3 into log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2. Then here times 8 power k, which is 1 by 3 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2. Is it equal to 24? Now here this times this is same as 8 power of 2 into bracket this common power 1 by 3 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2. Is it equal to 24? Now this 2 will be cancelled. Now here we apply exponential rule, so it will be 8 power 1 by 3 log 3 base 2 here times 8 power 1. Is it equal to 24? Now 8 is same as 2 power 3, then multiply by power of 1 by 3 log 3 base 2 here times 8 power 1 is same as 8. Is it equal to 24? Now we see this 3 will be cancelled. So we have 2 to the power log 3 base 2 is same as 3. According to this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. A to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 2 to the power log 3 base 2 is same as 3. Then here times 8 is equal to 24. Now 3 multiplied by 8 is same as 24. So 24 is equal to 24.